7 hours since I last heard your voice. I know that you felt like you didn't have the choice, and I don't blame you. No, I don't blame you. I know I've been a fool, but baby, believe me when I say to you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be cleaning my kitchen. I haven't felt that good this week, so I've just been kind of neglecting it a little bit, just kind of doing a surface clean. And I need to clean my floors, and yeah, that's not gonna work. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be cleaning my kitchen. I haven't felt that good this week, but I'm feeling a little bit better today. So I have, while I still have some energy, I'm going to do a really good cleaning on my kitchen. I'm not going to be able to wash my rugs today because my washing machine is down. And my husband is in the midst of fixing it. So I'm just going to sweep the floors real quick and yeah, no. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be in my kitchen. As always, we just finished breakfast and homeschool, and I want to get the kitchen back together. I haven't felt that good this week, but I'm feeling a little bit better today. I have a little bit of energy, and so while I have that energy, I want to go ahead and give my kitchen a good cleaning. I've just been doing a surface clean this week, but I want to mop my floors. I'm not going to be able to wash my rugs today because my husband, well, my washing machine is down, and my husband is in the midst of fixing it, so I'm not going to be able to do that. But I'm going to do the best that I can, and y'all know I always have to bring y'all along with me. So if you're ready, let's jump right into it.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid?
If you're new here, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I'm Tiffany. I'm a wife and mother of 2, and I love to create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you enjoy, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell before you go. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. Okay fam, your girl is running on fumes today. I must have used up all my energy filming this video, but I'm just not feeling that well. I won't be talking much, if at all, but as always, I tried to find some good music for y'all, so you can either clean with me or just sit back and enjoy the music.
You're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love.
You don't feel like wasted time. You don't talk like it's a lie. I might be falling for you. I hate to say it, but it's true. You don't scare so easily. You don't come with dirty deeds. I think I'm falling for you. I hate to say it, but it's true. If you say what you want from me, if you say what you want from me, yeah, I give all that I can to please. I give all that I can to please. I like where it's going, where this is going, like what you're doing. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always. Yeah, my heart's got a feeling. It's got a feeling like how it's beating. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always. Yeah. where this is going, like what you're doing. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always. Yeah.
Lord only knows what it took to making you like a blossom of a tree or the color of a jewel. So divine is the feeling that I find, like a sweet mountain breeze and a fragment of my mind. I said, darling, you are all I want for sure. Darling, give me everything and more. I said, darling, ooh, yeah, girl, you know I miss you. Slide talking, girl, you're walking circles through my mind. And it seems like every day just gets better when you're mine. Bring you love now and forever. For my hurt, you are the cure. Like a spring, you keep me healthy with a substance that is pure. And I said, darling, darling, I'm feeling rich although I'm poor. I said, darling, in your arms I feel secure. Darling, darling, ooh, yeah, girl, you know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you. Oh yeah, you know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you.
Alright, we've come to the end of this video. I hope that I was able to give you some motivation to get up and clean your kitchen or any space in your home. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at TiffanyMichelle76. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.